Don't mind the little dirty, but she's looking good. Not bad for spray can. To keep her a driver, did this door today. See that reflection in there? That's a spray can. No cut and buff yet. Did this back panel a couple days ago. You can see here on the tail where it needs to be done still. It's peeling up. Peeling up on the back end here. This one's got some watermarks on it from the rain, but it's been redone. This door has not been done. You can see the peeling up, coming off the mirror. This is the other side of the hood. And with the sun behind me, you can see my reflection, maybe, maybe not. It's got a few water spots on it.